Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7th, chapter number 13. In our last class, we have completed up to chapter number 12. Your chapter number 13 is lines and angles. Chapter number 13 is your lines and angles. Okay. First of all, we have to know about what is lines and angle. What is supplementary angle? First one is your supplementary angle. Supplementary angle, and next one is your complementary angle. What is supplementary angle? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. It means दो एंगल ऐसे जिसमें कि अगर हम उसको मेजर करें, दो एंगल्स को अगर हम प्लस करते हैं और उनका सम निकालते हैं, उनका सम कितना आना चाहिए 180 डिग्री. इफ द सम इज कमिंग 180 डिग्री देन यू कैन से इट इज योर supplementary angle. And in complementary angle, two angles are said to be complementary angle if their sum is 90 degree. अगर उनका सम कितना आ रहा है 90 डिग्री आ रहा है, then the angle is known as your complementary angle. This is supplementary and complementary angle. Now the first exercise in this chapter is chapter 13. The exercise, the first question is given: find the complement of each of the following angle. You have to find the complement of each of the following angle. Okay, exercise 13. In this chapter only one exercise is given, exercise 13. Find the complement of each of the following angles. The first question is you have to find the complement of each of the following angle. The question is given here 35 degree. Okay, 35 degree given here. Let the angle of complement be x. हमने complement का एंगल x ले लिया है, so x plus 35 equals to 90. Right here degree also 35 degree and 90 degree. This one is your degree sign. X plus 35 equals to 90, so x equals to 90 minus 35. Okay, x equals to 90 minus 35. Your answer will be 55 degree. Okay, this is your answer. Your answer is 55 degree here. After that, what you have to do in question, I am mentioning a homework. Question number 1, you have to do part 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Part 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Now the second question is given here. You have to find the supplement in the second question. Same, just we have find complement, then you have to find the supplement of the given angle. Find the supplement of each of the following. Question number 2nd, first part is given here 80 degree. Let the angle of supplement be x. हमने x मान लिया है, x plus 80 equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Your answer will be 100 degree. So x equals to 100 degree is your answer. In question number 2nd, part 2nd, 3rd and 4th. You have to do part 2nd, 3rd and 4th. After that, among two supplementary angle, the measure of larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller. Find their measure. We have to find the measure in the third question. Let the supplementary angle be x. So the let the supplementary angle we will take in question number 3rd. Let the supplementary angle बी एक्स, हमने सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल एक्स ले लिया है, एंड 180 minus x. Okay, it is x degree also. After that, since the given angle is 36, the given angle is 36 larger, more than the measure of the smaller angle. 36 more than the measure of smaller angle. Since it is given that 36 more than the smaller angle, so 180 minus 180 degree, it is given to you 180 degree minus x. After that, plus 36, your plus 36 equals to x degree. After this is your smaller angle and this is your larger angle. After that, 180 minus x plus 36 equals to x degree. Plus this 180 and 36, 180 plus 36 minus, it will go here, equals to x plus x. Then 180 plus 36 will be 180, और जब आप 36 को प्लस करेंगे ये आएगा आपका 216 equals to 2x. So 216 upon 2 equals to x. When you cancel out, your answer will be 108 degree. जब आप इसको कैंसिल करेंगे आपका आंसर आएगा 108 degree. After that, this is your x. X we have find x equals to 108 degree. Then what you have to do? We have to find 180 minus x. So 180 minus 108. X की वैल्यू क्या है? 108 है. Your answer will be 72 degree. This is your answer of question number 3rd. X is your 108, and after that you have to find the second angle also. So 180 minus x, 180 minus 108 equals to 72 degree. Now the question number 4, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. We have to find the angle which is equal to its supplement in question number 4. Let's see question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, लेट द मेजर ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड एंगल बी x. हम अपने मेजर एंगल का x मान लेते हैं. लेट द measure of the required angle be x degree. हमने अपने मेजर का रिक्वायर्ड एंगल x मान लिया. सो x plus x equals to 180 degree. Why? Because one angle this and second angle is this. X plus x equals to 180 degree. Then 2x equals to 180 degree. After that, x equals to 180 upon 2. So it will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. It will be your x equals to 90 degree. Your angle is 90 degree in question number 4. Now the question number 5th. Can two angles be supplement in both of them are equate, obtuse and right? Okay. Now what you have to do, question number 5 and 6 is your homework. Question number 5 and question number 6 you have to do by your own. It is slightly different question. Try to do these two questions. Now we will discuss rest of the question. Only 1 2 3 4 5 questions are left in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.